Hello everyone. I'm doing this video today to talk about the basic functions of these buttons here, um, on how to edit or create a patch. So let's start from the very basic functions of the buttons. So home, this is your safe button. So if you started fiddling with anything here that you're not sure of, you go back by pressing the home button. So anything that you accidentally press and you're not sure, just click home button, it will go back here. Okay, it's the same with if you press rhythm for the drum beat, you just go back to the home screen. Okay, next to it is the knob or a roller, allows you to scroll. Okay, so this got lots of function, but the initial function when you're on the home screen, when you touch this one, it will sort of go through your effects and then up to add effect, delete effect, effect chain where you try to rearrange your pedal, then patch settings. So let's go to patch settings. Now that's the time when you press enter, so the use of enter. So in the patch settings, you can see or adjust the level, the volume, the total volume of your patch. You can rename your patch. So that should be easy for you. You just press enter and it will, by scrolling this, you can change the letters. Okay, then you press enter, move to another space. Okay, the next to it is your pedal. Okay, and then back again to home screen. Right, this one, the scroll or this knob that you try to scroll things there is almost identical to your cursor here, minus the up and down, because the scroll goes side to side. It's the same with this one, it goes side to side. It's like scrolling which effects you got, and then when you press enter on that effects, you can now scroll up and down to change the effect. So this one is changing what kind of effects you want to use. Then when you enter on that one, or if you want to skip enter, if you want to skip this, you can just scroll and then adjust the parameters. Home screen again. Then last is menu. You can adjust the master volume. Earlier it was just the patch volume or level. This one is master volume, is the volume of your pedal itself. This one is for your rhythm, the beats per minute. If you want to save your patch or swap, and then the settings, like battery, if you're using a battery, you got the option. If I click this one, if it's the rechargeable battery or the alkaline battery, okay, you got that option. Then if it's economy, the LCD light, you can change, you can turn it on or off. I put it always on instead of a timed LCD light. You can adjust the contrast if it's too bright. So 8 is just enough for me. Autosave is when you edit a patch. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Like for example, I'm just doing a demo and then I try to edit one of the patch, then it autosave and I didn't realize, and then when I use that patch I will say, oh, there's something wrong. But don't you worry, you can always restore this unit to factory settings. I've got a video for that one, so you can check it out. Okay, so that's about it. Right, the pedal here, the up down pedal, is when you change your patch that you wanted to edit. But there's another function for this one. Let's say I don't want to use this effect, the Z clean, this one, Z clean. If I enter it there and press this down, it's being deactivated, so that's not on. It's the same with, let's say, the wah pedal, the volume pedal. Let's find yeah, it's here, the pedal box, this one, wah, it's not on. So if I activate it, it's always on. It's there. Oh, there. Okay, it's always on. Right. The purpose why I turned it off from here, there, it's off, because I can manually turn it on from here. Okay, to activate the wah pedal when I'm playing live, you can just step on this one. There, it's dark now, and then turn it off from here. But to set it like that, you need to deactivate it from here using this one when you're editing. We'll discuss more on that one in the future, but for now it's just familiarizing yourself with the buttons here. So technically the buttons that you are using when you edit a patch are home button, so that when you want to get out from something that you press, this is your save button. Your roller here, or you can scroll left to right, the same function as this one. Enter, so that you can go and change something. So for example, I said you scroll this one, you want to change FD combo, then you press enter. And if you want to change that one, for another amp, you press up and down. And then if this is the one you want to tweak, you can scroll this to change the parameter, or you can press enter and then scroll or use the cursor here. Okay, okie dokie. And then I said the menu is when you swap and save new patches. So that's it for now, guys. Also remember to get this one, the manual for your Zone G1xon, and it has a lot of stuff here that can help you on how to use your Zoom G1xon, how to edit and create patch. Okay, I will be seeing you again on my next video, and we'll continue on detailing and showing you how to edit patches or create patches and many things. So see you guys soon, and thank you for watching. And for those of you who are new, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Bye.